Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Rett syndrome. Rett syndrome is an X-linked dominant disorder which is primarily seen in females. In Rett syndrome, there is regression of motor skills and cognitive skills and language skills are seen. In Rett syndrome, there is microcephaly along with loss of purposeful hand movements which are replaced by stereotypical repetitive movements. So here the child will have stereotypical repetitive movements, microcephaly, regression of motor, cognitive and language milestones are seen. In a female, which is X-linked dominant inheritance, is Rett syndrome.
thank you and thank you for watching.